Dragon fruit, the golden crop of Asian farmers. Have you ever wondered how millions of tons of dragon fruit are grown, harvested, and exported worldwide every year? From vast plantations in Vietnam, Thailand, and the Philippines, farmers are using modern technology to boost productivity and quality. In this video, Modern Agri-Machines will take you on a journey to explore the entire process of cultivation, harvesting, and processing. Dragon fruit, revealing the secrets behind its success in the global market. Let's dive in. Few people know that dragon fruit, with its striking appearance, originally came from Central America, but thrives best in Asia, thanks to favorable climate conditions. Vietnam, Thailand, and the Philippines have become the world's leading producers of this exotic fruit. Vietnam stands out as the top producer, with over 65,000 hectares of dragon fruit farms, accounting for 80% of the global supply. The vast plantations in Binh Thuan, Long An, and Tiên Giang not only support hundreds of thousands of farmers, but also generate billions of dollars in export revenue each year. Meanwhile, Thailand and the Philippines are rapidly expanding their production, focusing on high-value varieties such as white, red, and yellow flesh dragon fruit. The demand for dragon fruit continues to grow worldwide, with major markets including Europe, China, the EU, and the US. Beyond fresh fruit, processed products such as wound, dried dragon fruit, juices, and dragon fruit wine are adding even more value. With its enormous potential, dragon fruit has become a strategic agricultural commodity in Asia, driving innovation and economic growth in the region. Growing dragon fruit is more than just farming. It's an art where farmers work in harmony with nature to create seasons of sweet abundance. It all starts with carefully preparing the soil. Farmers select well-drained, loose, and elevated land, as dragon fruit cannot tolerate waterlogging. Each planting hole is meticulously dug, about 50 centimeters deep and 60 centimeters wide, spaced far enough apart to allow the plants to grow freely. Beside every hole, they erect sturdy concrete or wooden poles, standing 1.6 to 2 meters high, providing a strong foundation for the vines to climb and soak in the sunlight. The best cuttings are chosen from healthy mother plants, each around 40 to 50 centimeters long, and carefully nurtured before planting. Once ready, farmers gently place them into the soil, securing them to the poles, laying the groundwork for a journey of growth. From this moment on, the dragon fruit plant embarks on its path, reaching skyward, preparing for seasons of bountiful harvests. In some dragon fruit growing regions of Vietnam, Thailand, and the Philippines, farmers use the raised bed technique around the base of the plants to optimize care. These beds are either by elevated mounds or constructed using hollow block bricks along both sides of the dragon fruit rows, measuring 80-100 centimeters wide. This design helps retain moisture, reduce weeds, and make fertilization easier. Thanks to this setup, fertilizers are not washed away. Irrigation penetrates deeper and the roots grow stronger. Additionally, weed control becomes more manageable, allowing the dragon fruit plants to thrive, yielding high productivity and superior quality. After planting, dragon fruit requires often careful maintenance to ensure healthy growth. Farmers regularly Water the plants, maintaining moisture levels without causing the waterlogging. Periodic fertilization provides essential nutrients, boosting productivity. Additionally, pruning branches improves airflow and reduces the risk of pests and diseases. To protect the plants, farmers implement biological pest control methods and use supporting poles or trellises to help the vines grow steadily. With proper care and attention, dragon fruit thrives, producing sweet, high-quality fruits ready for export. After months of careful nurturing, ripe, vibrant red dragon fruits are finally ready for harvest. This process is done entirely by hand, requiring a skill and precision to avoid scratching the delicate skin. Farmers use sharp scissors or specialized knives to gently cut each fruit, ensuring the stem remains intact for longer freshness. Harvesting typically takes place in the early morning or late afternoon, when temperatures are cooler to prevent moisture loss. The finest fruits are sorted directly in the field, ready for processing and their journey to consumers worldwide. After harvesting, fresh dragon fruit is washed, sorted, and carefully packed into cartons or plastic trays to ensure protection during transportation. The highest quality fruits are exported, while others are sent for processing. Dragon fruit can be mildly dried, preserving its natural flavor, or pressed into refreshing juice, creating delicious and nutritious beverages. Additionally, it is used to make jam, wine, and smoothies, increasing its value and expanding market opportunities. From the vast fields of Vietnam, Thailand, and the Philippines, dragon fruit is more than just a fruit. It is a symbol of pride for farmers, bringing significant economic value. Thanks to modern cultivation, harvesting, packaging, and processing, this exotic fruit has reached markets worldwide. Whether enjoyed fresh, dried, or as a refreshing beverage, dragon fruit remains a nutritious and delightful choice. Its journey continues, opening new opportunities for Asian agriculture.